How to zoom into text on Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to zoom into text on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your settings menu. And once you open it up, you want to find your display settings. Tap on display, and then from here you want to find the font size and style. So this is the most basic thing you can do, so you can easily increase the size of your text. Let's say if I want a bigger text all over my phone, I can move the slider all the way to the right to make it bigger, just like so. We can go back, and as you can see, all the text are now bigger. And there is one other thing you can do as well. Instead of this, you can go over to display, and then you can find the screen zoom option. And you can also zoom in the screen to make it even bigger. And as you can see here, everything now seems a bit bigger, just like so. And everything is now zoomed in, and all of the text are now bigger as well. Now, there is other settings that you can change as well. So let me just quickly move it back to my default settings first. Now you want to find the accessibility settings by scrolling down here and find accessibility. Then from here, go to vision enhancements, scroll down and find the magnification, and turn on the magnification shortcut. So you tap on it and toggle this on. You can use accessibility gestures, or you can press slide the volume up buttons. So I'll just tap on triple tap screen, go back. And if you triple tap something, it's going to turn on the magnification, and you can move it around and see the text in a bigger size. So that is basically it, guys. You can also control the zoom from here. So let's say if I want a bigger zoom on this part right over here. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.